Hello folks and welcome to another video. I'm in Samui and I've been staying in this condo for the past week. And I'm going to give you a small little tour and show you about my daily routine. I've established one and I'm liking my life here. It's stress-free, everything is conveniently located next to me, and plus I'm on a tropical island here in Thailand. It's incredible, and the price at which I got this condo for is unreal. Usually prices on an island are much higher than if you were living in a city due to the supply, I guess. But let me take you around. This is a living space. I've got a dining table here which I utilize as a work desk. I've got 3 seats here, pretty comfortable. A large L sofa right in the center. This thing is huge and super comfortable. I've got a 55-inch LG TV there positioned on this TV frame. The theme of the condo is going for this sort of like industrial concrete wash with the finish on the floor and on this particular wall. It's very big, very spacious. This is just a living space. Actually, the bedroom is next door, and this condominium that I'm staying in, it's called the Replay Condominium Complex here in Samui. This is one of the biggest units that you can get in the entire complex, because usually it would be a studio essentially, not a 1-bedroom as this is, and this would be your entire unit. But I've got behind this wall an equivalent size unit that's dedicated as the bedroom, which I'll show you in a little bit. This is the main entrance, this is my kitchen area, got a delivery parcel there. And just look at how freaking long this sofa is. I'm super tall, right? And I can't even stretch the entire length of the sofa. There's like an additional 30 to 45 centimeters off the end of me. So it's very, very long and it's very comfortable. Leather sofa. So I could actually sleep here if I wanted to, or I could have a friend round if they wanted to crash over on the sofa. Pretty comfortable. We've got an aircon in this room and in the room next door. So there's 2 air cons cooling this unit down. Very good sofa, very happy with it. Got my laundry in here drying. Then I don't know which way I should take you onto. Should I take you onto the bedroom or the balcony? Well, there's basically 3 ways which you can access the bedroom or the living space. Either via the balcony door or this sliding door here, or the other sliding door on the other side. It's great. But let's go through this door here, which is already open to the bedroom. We've got a king-size bed in the middle, some bedding, and another TV mounted on the wall here from LG, which looks like another maybe 50 to 55-inch TV, and another access to the balcony just over here. So we have 2 access points to the balcony, one from the bedroom and one from the living space. And we can close the living space off via the sliding door that I mentioned earlier, like that. Now the bathroom is over here. It features a shower and a bathtub, and of course your toilet and your sink. But rather than showing you that, I want to show you the view from the balcony. The balcony is stellar. And here is the balcony. We've got 2 very comfortable large outdoor furniture here, looking over onto the amenities of the complex. We've got this giant pool here that goes right through the middle, and I believe there's another pool on the other side of the complex, because I think this complex has been done up in phases. Some of these buildings actually are, what I've heard, between 10 and 20 years old, but look how big this balcony is. Usually the balcony would stop right here in the middle, and this would be 2 separate units, but on the top floor, which is the 4th floor, all the units are like these one giant big ones, which I think is around about 60 to 70 square meters in size. And look, I have all this area here. It's incredible. I love it. And occasionally during the day, around about this time, I come out here, relax, maybe out here with my laptop sometimes, or my Cafe Amazon, and just take in the views of the amenities in the sky. But it's been raining quite a lot here in Koh Samui. It hasn't been too sunny. We had a few showers earlier and a bit of sunshine, but this is what the weather is like in the October period / November. And this is the view from the other side of the balcony. And now I'm gonna go back into the condo via the other door here. Here we are. So now a single unit with pretty basic furniture, not like this sort of very comfortable leather sofa or a big LG TV would set you back about 16,000 baht on average a month in this complex. Now, if you combine the two, which is double the space, it would kind of make sense if it was double the price. But I didn't get it for double the price. I got it for considerably lower. I'm not going to reveal the price details with you, unfortunately, because the owner has asked me to, you know, not share it with anyone. And of course, that's a given. Of course, I'm going to get special prices. I use my incredible charm to get those incredible prices. But I almost forgot to show you the bathroom. Now, let me just quickly show it to you now, which is through here. Nice big bathtub there, a shower in the corner, you got your sink there, and your toilet on this corner as well. And this is the tour of my apartment I'm staying in Koh Samui. Now, usually when I come to Koh Samui, I like to stay in the villa, but as I'm here for a month and I'm by myself, I don't see the point of spending quite absurdly. So I thought I'd get something a little bit more reasonable, and I think I've managed to find myself a pretty sweet crib here on the island. It's not small, it's actually relatively large. It's in a condominium complex where I've got amenities like a pool, a gym, and it's right in the middle between Fisherman Village and Bang Rak. So the location is superb. I've got 7-Eleven right there, which is like a 2-minute drive. I've got free parking downstairs where I park my car. I am pretty happy with what I've got for the price. But the pool villas here in Koh Samui are some of the best in the world, and you can live on this island at a very, very low budget or at a very, very high-end budget. Basically, Koh Samui has got everything in between from the low to the high. So it really depends how much you want to spend. And given it's kind of like monsoon season now, there's no point of me really getting a pool villa at this moment in time. Maybe when I come back here in December, January, I'll have a look. But that doesn't mean I'm not going to show you some incredible pool villas in later videos. Now, I just wish they had a closer socket to the dining table so that I wouldn't have to extend my charger for my laptop from over here all the way to there. But for now, I'm gonna get something to eat, and then I'm gonna head to the gym, and I'm gonna show you the gym that I train at, which, if you are not new to the island, you'll probably know it's quite a famous gym here. They say it's one of the best on the island, so let's get going. All right, let's take a look at the car. It's a Mitsubishi Atterage, red plate, which denotes it's brand new. It's got this sort of like race package. It's got like an ATR skirt package. I don't know what the Mitsubishi lineup is, but you can see it looks pretty neat. It's a 4-seater car, petrol, tinted windows. It's not a bad vehicle, this. I quite like it, and it's perfect for getting around the island or even doing a small little road trip, maybe to Surat Thani. It's automatic as well. I've got a TFT monitor right here, as you can see. So I can just reverse up like that. It's got Apple CarPlay, which is fantastic, so I can get some tunes going. Now, you wouldn't believe how much you can get a car here in Samui for. I was flabbergasted, really. I got this Mitsubishi for 11,000 baht a month, which works out to about 350 Thai baht a day. That is pretty much lower than a scooter in Bangkok. I think in Bangkok you can get a scooter like a sort of 125cc, maybe an NMAX for about 500 to 600 baht a day. So how on earth I was able to secure this car for 350 baht a day just beats me. I can't believe it. It just goes to show you that here on Samui you get incredible value for your money. Zipping down an island. We've got the coast on our right there, beautiful crystal clear waters. We've got a development of an urbanized town. We've got lots of shops, 7-Eleven, restaurants to eat at. There we are, 7-Eleven is right there, within literally a 2-minute drive from where I'm staying. And on the right here, we've got Fisherman Village. And you'll be surprised that this island does get quite busy. There is a buildup of traffic along the main road around about 4 or 5 p.m. because a lot of folks here live here or are retired here or are living here with their families, as there's many international schools on this island. I mean, it's one of the best tropical islands to live on if you want the crystal clear waters at your doorstep as well as fantastic accommodation and villas at very good value for money, really. Anywhere else you're paying way more than Samui. We are now on our way to Success Gym. I managed to get a coffee earlier. It's the only place in Koh Samui where you can actually get a cafe Amazon past the time of 6 or 7 p.m. This one's open until when the mall closes, which is great if you want to have a late night coffee, which is going to do me good for when I go to the gym. I've got enough food down me. I'm going to get caffeinated and we're going to get ourselves a workout in. Woohoo! And what's nice about Success Gym, it's right next to Central Samui. So if you did want to do a bit of shopping or grab something to eat and then go to the gym, or go and get something to eat after the gym, then you can, because it's only like a 2-minute drive from where the mall is. Here it is, Success Gym, folks. As you can see, guys, it's a freaking good gym. They have pretty much every apparatus you could ever imagine at this gym. It's big, the airflow is good because of these fans, it's well lit up, and it's kept in a very tidy manner. Everything is positioned where it needs to be. There isn't too many dumbbells lying around. It's nice and clean to the point where I can even walk around barefoot because I forgot to bring my trainers. I'm in my Crocs. A day pass here is about 500 baht per day, but if you do a monthly pass, it's around about, how much was it? It was just under 2,000 baht, which is pretty good, around about 60, 65 USD. It's been a while since I did chest press with dumbbells. Oh shit, the bench is the wrong way. Who trains that way? That's the most absurd thing I've seen. Okay, we'll have to move over to that one. Yes, we're on a bench that's facing the correct way now. That's good. We'll adjust the seat a little and try again. Well folks, the time has just gone past midnight. It's actually 12:30 and I've obviously finished up with the gym, and I'm now just getting some food to eat at this 24-hour restaurant. I've got some pork belly here and rice and egg, as well as some boiled rice, which is gonna do me just good for tonight. But folks, if you enjoyed today's video, you know what to do. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video, and share it with friends and family. And I'll see you in the next video here on the channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and bye for now.